Hello guys, so I just got stopped out on my trade on what CJ. It was a very nice trade last week, but this week I had to put it on what break even because I was actually talking about how price is going to maybe retrace back down, but it ended up taking me out of the trade. As you can see, we are shooting all the way down, and since this is CJ, you already know UJ is going to also be shooting all the way down. Why? Because these are correlating pairs. They are all going against what the same pair, which is what JPY. So yes, this is the chart that I actually analyzed a day earlier. I told you guys that yes, I actually missed a buy from this zone right here all the way up. Now what are we looking at? We can see that price couldn't take out this high, and I obviously told you guys that until price takes out this high, there's no reason for a buy, right? And as you can see, price couldn't. Just look at the massive what drop. This right here was price close last week, and this right here is price open this week. You can see from 100 and what, from 100 and what 48 all the way down to what 100 and what 47. That is a huge drop, and this is now indicating a downward movement. Why am I not still trading this? I wanted to settle before I actually trade it, because what this is telling me is JPY is gaining what momentum, because when you look closely, CJ right here is dropping, meaning JPY is now becoming to what gain momentum over what CJ or over what CHF. And when you look closely at this zone too, you realize that what JPY is gaining momentum over what USD, right? So yes, I could have actually traded it right here because I actually saw it, but no, I'm currently in trades with on gold and stuff, so I just want to concentrate on that for a while. And at the same time, you can also see that US 500 is also starting to what gain momentum. Now this pair doesn't really go fast, but it's a very easy pair to trade. To be honest, it's very easy. So I'll be looking forward to adding more trades, or if price is starting to reverse, I'll be looking forward to get out of my swing trade, right? Yeah, but gold, this is what we are currently looking at. You can see price is doing what, shooting all the way up. And yes, this morning was quite nice. We've already gotten our first TP, our full what, first TP getting take. Now you can see what I was talking about earlier, right? So this is where this has to go in profit. Why? Because this trade right here wasn't calculated in this trade. So if price is coming back to a stop loss, it should take it out of break even, do whatever it wants. You can always get another buy all the way up, but you can't recover the loss that you've actually made on this what, on this trade right here. So stop doing those type of mistakes. This morning we did not wait for sniper entries, we execute trades, and it was very good, right? You can obviously see it's a very good thing. And I'm still holding my swing trades right here. I'm still holding my swing trades. I'll probably close these swing trades if price eventually reaches what, this high right here, which is 33.82, which is this high support what, or high supply zone right here. So if price gets all the way up to this zone, I'll probably get out of some trades. But yes, so far so good. That is what we are currently having. This is what I'm having right now. So that's just it. I talked to you guys about this trade last week, and you can see how it went this week, right? So yeah, sometimes this normally happens, but that's very good. It's good that JPY is doing what, is gaining momentum, so I can look forward to shorten it more, especially if we do what, if we break through this zone. I'll be looking forward to more shots, and probably looking forward to price dropping more and more, right? But yes, that's just by the way. But there can also be a scenario that price will use this as liquidity zone, right? To So price will use these two right here as what, inducement, just to pull back down to this zone, which is this last order block right here, to continue shooting all the way up. So there's also a scenario that can happen. But since we are in a downtrend, since I've understood that what, JPY is gaining momentum, I can now start looking for shots on what, JPY, right? And you can see that yes, this tunnel still works. Price came all the way into it. You can see that massive what, push up followed by the drop again. That's still a consolidation within that zone. So within this zone, you shouldn't have just been looking forward for sells right there. But yeah, that's just it. That is what we are having. Let's see what happens for the rest of the day. But I think today, today is going to be a good day, right? I think today is going to be a good day. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you guys for watching.